Hey everyone, you may heard about cryptocurrencies and all the amazing heroic stories behind them from nothing to an emperor, like Daenerys in Game of Thrones, and yet the story is going to be continued, or as we say, dollars are coming. Maybe you think it's late to start to build your legacy, but it's not. Here, I'm not going to teach you how to trade or even how to use Binance because there are hundreds of great free and for sale podcasts and courses about them on the internet. The only reason I'm here is to tell that if you know how to trade or you already want to start, Binance is a good exchange site with lots of options you can use. If you want to register in this site, you can use the link below. But the most important question, which is our title too, how to start trading without money. Just use Binance referral system after your registration. You can share your own link with the world and there would be commission for you per every person who comes to Binance by you and start trading. After a while, you'd have your first money to invest in this game. Have fun and earn some extra dollars.